Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper. This is Talali with you, and at this stage I would like to cordially congratulate you for being a member of the Gulf Sniper community. In this video I will be showing you the game plan, if you like to say, and this email is an automated email that will be sent to all subscribers, where it explains to you how we usually set up our screener, or basically how do we really contact and share the opportunities with our subscribers. So basically you will receive an email similar to this email with the title "Welcome to the Gulf Sniper community." Then the letter starts by welcoming statement. Then it will provide you with some useful links. The first one is to read the terms and conditions, of course, and we ask you to read carefully our terms and conditions and the disclaimer, because it is important to understand as a trader that you should not be really mirroring, but you should be really carefully looking at the opportunities that we share with you and we present to you, and the limits that we put. We emphasize on paper trading until you master the strategy here. We depend mainly on our setups using trader ideas, and we believe that our strategy is one of the best on the market, or on the in determining potential movers and stock and gaining stocks. So the decision of buying or selling is solely up to the investor, but we do really provide educational advices, which is basically established and built on a study and on theory plus application. So it is a summary of all the 15 plus years of experience that I personally been in the market, different markets, including Forex as well. And I'm not pretending that I'm a guru or an expert, but I'm just a trader who enjoys seeing other colleagues making success, and, as we say, trade, have fun, and spread happiness. So the fun here is not only by me getting you subscribing and getting that amount from you and then good luck to you. I know that the amount is not that much, and you can, as a trader, get it in a single day, or could be in a single transaction, and that's something good. We are not planning to also drag your feet and then start taking advantage of you by making you pay for courses. We don't provide courses. We provide a strategy, educational one, interesting cases. We are expecting you as a trader to be expert enough and aware enough of the risks associated with trading. The money that you will be using for trading is not a money that will make you or break you. It is an amount that I advise you carefully not to take from your food or from your family just to trade. I will be lying to you if I'm telling you that you will try and be a trillionaire or a millionaire if you just do this and follow our strategy. No, we have days that we lose and we have days that we win. Luckily, most of our opportunities or our trades, when you add them up, you end up winning. And that's the good thing and the beauty in trading, as you can accept and expect that you will be gaining, you should keep in mind that you will be losing as well. It's not a one-way journey. There has to be winning, there has to be losing. But again, it's all about money management, and always the enemy to you is always within yourself, which is you being greedy during the trading. So having that said, again, I emphasize that you go thoroughly on our terms and conditions, and I strongly advise you to spend as long as you could. And on paper trading, we intentionally have 7 days of free subscription where you have full access. You can make in one trade your full 1 year subscription with no cost. You can, from one trade, real money, if you are a trader on your responsibility, you can gain it, and you can subscribe for our 1 year without any efforts, really. Just dedication and focus on what we are really sharing with the subscribers. Having that said, it is not that easy, it is not that complicated. It is about being alert, analyzing, and being fast. Again, you don't need to mirror what we are doing. I am not showing and sharing my real trades. What I do usually is that I set an entry and an exit, and we, for the sake of controlling our money and to have money management, we always set our target as 7%, no matter how up we go. Even if we go 150, 250, 300, 400, 500, we don't care. The most important thing is to put a take profit, secure yourself, add it up to your account, okay? And then once you have it on your bucket, once you have it, you can then take a little bit more risk. But as you put your target, you always remember to put your stop loss also. So whenever it happens that your trade goes against you, you will be secured and you will not lose your money, your investment. If you lose it, you can easily lose it in one trade. Just lose the dedication and lose your focus, and you can easily lose. Control your money, control your investment, know where you are entering, know what is your goal, make your profit in first trade, and then go to the next trade. Again, don't fall, never fall under the FOMO, fear of missing out opportunities. The opportunities are always there. The most important thing is to know where you are entering and know where is the risk for you and where is the profit to you. Okay? Next is what we usually do. We usually go to the rooms where we open the screener, as you can see here, and I usually post on the right corner the opportunities. Good. It is good that we finished all and we achieved all our goals here. I'm happy that the market is red, it is live, and we made all our profit from the first 1 hour, and now we are spending time in making this video. So anything that comes beyond these is a bonus. All these are opportunities that were shared live with you subscribers, and you took profit out of these. I usually put more than 7%, so you make your mind, you review the opportunity, and once you enter, even if you enter late, still you can make your 7%. Most of the times it happens very fast, Other times it takes a while, but not longer than 30 minutes to 1 hour. So by that time, and even if you miss one, don't worry, I will be adding another one, and the third one, and fourth, and fifth, and sometimes even more than that. So if you make 7 multiplied by 2 or 3, that's 20%. Nobody can guarantee that. I'm not pretending that I'm super duper guy and I will make this every day. Maybe we were lucky today, even if the market is going down, but we were lucky and focused enough to make our profit out of all these. And we saw how crazy, for example, any of these AHPI, let's see how it did. AHPI, see how crazy was that? And we got it from the beginning. We got it from 528, and see where it hit. It doubled and more. Likewise, BLIN, and live traders can tell what had happened during that. It started and we made profit. We started at 8.77 and we reached all the way to 9.99 as a high. So we made good profit also here. Similarly, GROM, it made our target, and even it made our target exactly as we stated during the trading at the beginning of the market. TYHT similarly has done the same. So it started from 6.8 and it went all the way, here it comes, it went all the way to 8.32. So these are real data from existing. The market is on. So what we do is that for the subscribers, you can go to rooms, and then from there as a subscriber you will have an access to these, and you can see the screener by yourself. With the time you can tell where is your next resistance, and breaking it where will lead you really. So if you are, for example, looking at CLWT, we said that CLWT is going to 5.56 and see now 5.6, and then it appeared to you. So from there it went all the way, and then that day when we made the screen here, it went all the way up. I think it exceeded that as well. So it made, at least it made our 7% successfully, and it was reported. You can find it on our watch list results if you are a subscriber. So this is what we do, and after putting the opportunity and watching it, when it is making its way, if we have some time, I go also to Twitter, to my account, and I post those completed or those opportunities that reached the target for the community or for the followers to share their opinion and thoughts. Also, after we finish every day, we review what we have done, and we point out, or we determine the top 5 gainers in the day among all the opportunities. Those usually will not be the same as the ones while we were trading, and sometimes those will match, but not all the 5, because when we are trading live, or when we are giving the opportunity live, we will be looking at the right entry. So here those opportunities that we on every day we give in our 5 gainers and the daily recaps are the top ones, that most of the time if we are trading in the first 1 hour or half an hour and we are making our target from 5 opportunities, I personally usually set aside and make sure that only the screener and streaming is on, going smoothly, and the subscribers are taking benefit out of it. And in case that there is any question or any interesting stocks or movements that can be added to the 5 as a bonus or as an additional, if there is something interesting, I will usually share with the subscribers and sometimes with the community here, with the followers as well. So as a conclusion, please spend as much as you can on the paper trading. Make sure that you don't enter the trade unless you are confident that your entry and your exit are known to you. There is no harm of getting minimum and confident profit rather than taking big loss or being hanged somewhere that you cannot get out of easily without sacrificing and losing. Commitment, dedication, and alertness are needed to successfully manage to take profit out of this market. And I will not spare any efforts. I'll not spare any efforts to support and to help. And please stay always in contact, and welcome again to the Gulf Sniper community.